Sasha ask him. He's one.
Good evening, everyone. First of all, I'd like to thank Mr. Tony Lopez. I first met him, I think, almost 2 decades ago. He was introduced to me by my late uncle, John Gokwe, who only had good words to say about Tony. Congratulations to BizNews Asia for your 23rd anniversary, and thank you for this award. It will inspire us to keep keep improving how the ease of doing business and reducing the cost of doing business in our country. Thank you. Good evening, everyone. First, I'd like to congratulate BizNews Asia for its 25th anniversary, and happy birthday to my friend Tony Lopez. I've known Tony for many years, even when I was in the private sector. And I would like to thank BizNews Asia for showcasing the many programs of the Department of Transportation. Thank you for showing all our projects, and we hope that you will continue to support our projects for the benefit of the driving public. Thank you, and good evening.
It's a great honor to be awarded alongside giant in business. And a small pride in the business, but a giant in the arts. Being an artist for nearly 50 years, I believe my success did not only come from my passion in the arts, but also trying to grow fruitful business and career in arts. It is important to value professional and relationships in art. Also fighting for the artist's rights, such as the economic rights when it comes to their art and intellectual property. Thank you once again, especially to Sir Tony Lopez. Congratulations to all the awardees in this BizNews Asia Award. Mabuhay tayong lahat.
Gandang gabi po sa inyo lahat. Maraming salamat for the award. Totally unexpected. Kasi akala namin distant kami po dun. Alam niyo po, even if the Comelec has been in constant attacks coming from practically everybody, what is important is the trust of the people that are always there sa commission of election. I think what is important is whenever the people will trust the commission, the most controversial constitutional body, then democracy is safe. And in the commission election, yung principle ko na pinapanindigan namin yung transparency, accountability, and inclusiveness. Nobody should be left behind. Nobody should be disenfranchised. Because disenfranchisement is never the business of this republic. We should do everything possible to ensure that everybody's votes are counted and that the right candidate is proclaimed. That is where democracy will survive. Maraming salamat.
Now I wanted to describe Sir Tony with a few words. One is demanding. When I was president of Manila Water, Mr. Tony Lopez had a problem with his water connection. And the team in charge of the area where Sir Tony was residing was very surprised when I said, no, I will go and fix the problem of Mr. Tony Lopez. And he was joking, he says, I'm the only customer of Manila Water where the chief executive officer showed up to solve this problem. I still charged him, but we reduced the amount significantly. I wanted to say the fact that Tony is a man of standards. He demands the best of everything because he himself is committed to it. In behalf of the MAP, Tony is a voice which we refer to as challenging. So it's either you agree with him or you disagree with him. But even if you disagree with him, it's good to listen to his side of the ball because it keeps balance to all the thought processes, which is what journalism is all about. Thank you very much, Sir Tony, for all that.
Happy birthday, Tony. Thank you. Alam po ninyo, matagal namin mag-alala dito. At masasabi ko lang, sa tagal ko na rin sa larangan ng politika at pag-negosyo, ay hindi naman madami na rin ang aking pinakikinggan o pinaniniwalaan. Subalit, masasabi ko ang isa sa pinaniniwalaan ko at sinusundan sa mga sinusulat. Ito ang aking hinahangaan si Tony Lopez.
Thank you.
Congratulations to Miss Asia and happy birthday to you. And I'd like to thank you for this award, and it's a very nice evening.
Magandang gabi po sa inyo lahat. I think, pinuri na ng lahat ng tao si Tony Lopez ngayong gabi. The brightest, the best, and the longest surviving Tony Lopez. I think lahat na naging presidente sa buong Pilipinas, kailangan magdaan sa kanyang endorsement, di ba? At si Tony Lopez po nakapag-contribute sa bayan natin ng gusto. Matagal ko kaibigan si Tony at hinahangaan ko po siya. Kilala ko siya ng 30 years na. Kaya lang nung nakilala ko, naka-short pa lang siya noon, 10 years old. Salamat po.